Welcome to CORA X Lite. During this video in our CORA X Lite series, we demonstrate how to protect your sensitive data and the options available to you.
Begin by entering your password. Then you must load your system, including the encryption key. In this demonstration, I will manually select the two data files, rather than using the silent load feature, and then the static file, which must always be manually selected. Notice that the profile button will record the number of data files selected. Similarly, the static button will indicate the number of static files selected.
After selecting your dispersed files, go ahead and install your system. Notice that your actionable items are loaded when you install your system. I will add a folder at this time to my actionable items. Notice that if a folder is selected, then the Open Item Action button displays a folder. If a file is selected, then a document type image is displayed in the Open Item Action button. If both types are selected, then both a folder and a document image will be displayed.
Let's go ahead and CORAfy, or encrypt, these two files. When encrypted, a solid orange border will appear in the CORAfy action button. If this is then clicked, it will unCOCRAfy, or decrypt, the selected files, or folders. Here I have selected a third file which is not CORAfyed. Notice that the orange border on the CORAfy action button is no longer solid. If I click this now, it will decrypt the files that were CORAfyed, or encrypted.
For convenience, the Open Item Action button will automatically decrypt a CORAfyed file and then open it for you. Notice that when you return to CORA X Lite, the file that was just decrypted and opened will no longer be CORAfyed.
See the online help for more complete information about each of these options. In general, always delete the original file when CORAfying or encrypting it. It is advisable to occasionally uncheck the delete CORA blocks when unCOCRAfying your actionable items. If you are implementing best practices, then some of your CORA blocks are being saved off-site to the cloud. Limiting the size of the last one or two CORA blocks limits the bandwidth that is needed for these off-site CORA blocks.
Let's take a look at two keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl-A will select all actionable items. The Escape key will unselect any actionable items that are currently selected.
The last action button we would like to discuss is the Auto CORAfy button. Actionable items that have Auto CORAfy selected will automatically be CORAfyed when you exit CORA X Lite, or, depending on your options, when you lock this application. Then when you unlock or install your system again, the Auto CORAfyed items will be decrypted or unCOCRAfyed. Notice that there is a solid orange border around the Auto CORAfy button if an actionable item has this option selected. To remove this option, click on the Auto CORAfy button when the orange border is present.
We hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.